side of the downside of the second reading. Just looked a little short.
Don't worry, I'll not allowed to get to this stage. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing a package I received some months back. I collected a total of 3 of them, but I'll be unboxing the first one today. And here it is. Shockingly, so this is a free gift attached to it because I bought 3 pieces of this wonderful kitchen equipment. Follow me on the unboxing. Kitchen gadgets. If you have need for this awesome kitchen gadget, it's called the citrus cap. Oh my god, look at my special gift from my supplier. Wow. Here is my receipt. Here is my gift. It's a cooler bag. And a strong one, very strong one, and very durable. I love it. Thank you, Adela Health. Having. And here is our. Let's get right into it. Packaging. Go. My sister, I got gloves. Then hold the button for me. Just drag it. This your favorite. She collected my tripod. That's how I tried to do this. Here it is, fam. Our special is around the corner. Around the corner. They have limited space, so you have to be in a hurry. The manual, the cover, and here is the juicer. Ta-da-da! all sealed on. Squeezer. Orange juice lovers. Something is popping. So thank you for watching, and please place your order to get yours. See my sister, she just woke up. Cut on fresh. And fun. Please place your order, and also place order for your juicers, place order for your juice too.
To the page on her description box.
So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment on my channel.
See different colors
Love
on
you.
Instagram and make your own order. Bye.
I used to have this one. It has juiced over 5 full bags of oranges, and now she has gotten 3 other sisters. So orange juicers.
That's beautiful. Thank you very much. That was lovely, lovely. We're about to be hit by another beautiful tour of African ladies. Look at different lengths, different texture of hair. It's all beautiful. It's all beautiful. It's amazing the different things you can do with African hair. It's really amazing. Somebody say